Good morning, teacher. Good morning, friends. My name is ADRIEL. I am 10 years old. My project, a recycled boat. Questions. How to make a recycled boat move in the water? Hypothesis. I'm going to use a rubber band and a stick as a boat engine. Material. Plastic bottles, rubber bands, sticks, some colored papers, and masking tape. Procedure. First I made my plastic boat, then I put the rubber and the stick as an engine because it's going to make my boat. Move in the water. After that I filled my shower with water and put my boat in and I tried it many times to make it move fast. At the end it was okay. I tried many times to make my boat go fast in the water and at the end I did it. Conclusion. I had some problems with my boat because the decoration was heavy and the engine was too small, so I had to make some changes, but it worked. Now I'm going to demonstrate in the shower. My project worked. My boat go fast in the water.
1, 3.
Thank you very much for your attention.